Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 173 Cartland Road. And then moving into the property, and the vestibule opens into the hallway here, where we have a useful built-in understairs storage pantry, and then the first reception room. Nice decorative fire surround, and then bay window towards the front aspect. And around to the second reception room. And then we have the stairs in the corner leading up to the first floor. And through to the kitchen, nicely refitted and including integrated cooker, hob, dishwasher, washing machine and fridge freezer in here as well. And then if you to the rear, across the garden, further window to the side and door also leading out into the garden. And moving on to the first floor landing, we have the loft access points here as well. And then the first bedroom with two windows facing towards the front aspect. Fitted wardrobe and a further built-in upstairs storage cupboard in the corner. And moving through to the second bedroom. This room here having a view across the garden. And back onto the landing, which steps down, and we have a nice little study space and window to the side. And door through to the bathroom. And we have a built-in cupboard here which houses the wall-mounted gas boiler, and then we have an electric shower over the bath. Okay, then moving outside into the rear garden, lovely space out here with a flagged patio going down to the lawn garden area. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give us a call as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.